Hey guys, my freaking camera finally came in, so I'm about to do an unboxing. I hope you guys are as about ready as I am. Goddamn. This little invoice. It says power shot. This is, oh, okay. I think they just used the box power shot for the power shot. The power shot's a point and shoot camera. I did not order a point and shoot camera. A bunch of crap. So excited. Got a disc that came with it. Not one, 2 manuals. And then how to use your camera for dummies. I'm gonna need that later. Little camera strap. Comes with a battery, charger. I might croak over and die. I swear I might. Oh gosh. Okay, here's the camera. Oh, it's so beautiful. Comes with a lens cap and the settings. This one goes all the way around versus the later models. They don't go all the way around. That's about all I know about this camera. If you're feeling fancy, oh, you can flip it this way. Well, I got this off the Canon website. It was on sale. I mean, it's not much of a sale, honestly. I just had to have it. Shout out to my mom for helping me buy this. Shout out. I got the one that had the body only because I already had lenses for it. I've been having these lenses since like the summertime, so. Oh, and my grandpa also got me this a long time ago. And I'm gonna use it. Y'all think I'm playing. It's actually the power shot, a point and shoot camera, so. And it's not bad, it doesn't shoot bad stuff. I just gotta have hardcore editing skills. Okay, so this is what came with it. It came with a tripod that I got off like a Facebook buy sell trade site. Came with this lens thingamajigger bobber. Came with this thing, whatever. Came with like an SD card. It also came with a 50D, but the camera was broken, so I went ahead and sold it. This is the 1835mm lens, and it's just beautiful. Like, come on. I'm so excited to just put this all to use. Like, Lord just blessing me. Oh, that's it. This one here is the 75-300. It comes with lens caps and this cap, backpack. That would be so awesome. I got this filter and I have this filter. Excited to use those. But that's not all. This came with cables. I don't think this camera came with, yeah it did, I'm lying. But it came with this little thing so I can put it on my TV, I'm pretty sure. This thing so I can plug it into my computer and whatnot. Oh, it's a remote for the tripod. Not for the tripod, for the camera. So you fancy. And some cleaning tissue. That's perfect. It also came with this plastic bag. I'm really excited to use that. It also came with the poncho. Does your camera come with the poncho? Think about it. And that's all I got in that bag. My new camera bag with my new camera. Prince, the box is not to chew on. I know it tastes good. I know. I tried it. All right, go at it. But yeah, I'm gonna let this charge and I'm gonna do some test footage and video footage, and we're gonna switch this camera over as well. Hey guys, okay, well this is the camera. I've been playing around with it a little bit, and on my T5i, the autofocus is so loud, like it's distractingly loud. I don't know, I can turn it on and then it doesn't really autofocus that much. See? Hold on, yeah. It's just, come on. Like, I'm here, I'm right here. Like, maybe I'm doing something wrong, like, I don't know. Stop. Okay, and then I literally have to turn it off and then fix the focus. So that's irritating. I love the camera other than the autofocus. Hopefully I can figure that out. Look how clear my picture is. I am able to look at myself on my computer as well, like through EOS utility. I'm using the 18-135mm lens. I'll just put that information up here somewhere or in the description box below, or both, who knows. But like I said, I got this camera from the Canon website. It was on sale sometime last week. I ordered it on the 2nd and it got here on the 5th. So that's awesome. I was so anxious to get it. I'm really happy I finally got it because I can actually do some good quality film. Actually, my iPhone wasn't that bad, honestly. This camera is so beautiful. I'm in love with it. Like, if I can marry a camera, I would. I'm not a photographer by any means, but like I like that part, like taking pictures and stuff. So artsy, and honestly, anyone can learn to do it if they take the time to learn. So that's what I'm gonna do. That's my goal, is to learn how to take amazing photos. So my kids, so I ain't gotta pay for senior photos for my kids. Okay. That stuff's expensive. Thanks, Mom, for helping me buy this thing. Oh, I appreciate it so much. This is the Canon Rebel T5i, and I have the lens 135mm lens on here. The autofocus sucks, but maybe I need to figure it out. Oh, hold on. Baby. No, you're not acting right. You're acting right. It's so loud. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but it's so loud. I think it's louder than me. We focus on me. Me. Focus on. What is right there that's so.
You got me something.
No. Okay, I figured out the autofocus. Yes, okay, so I guess I had, my camera's about to die. I had it on some different kind of setting for autofocus. So just, act right. So I can't like move? Okay, just play around with your camera if you are having difficulties and you're not able to figure it out and look up videos and stuff, because that's what I just did. I just played around with it and boom, I figured out how I can get autofocus on my face and not on my freaking wall. Now I gotta figure out how to turn off the loud clicking sound. I thought that was only on the T4i and back, but I guess not. I'm definitely about to turn off the autofocus because that's annoying. That's better. Okay, listen, and I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys liked the video, hit that subscribe button, like and comment down below what camera you're getting. If you're getting this camera, if you do have this camera, give me some tips, tricks, kick flips, anything. Like, let me know what's the 411 on my autofocus, my clicking thing. I need to know because I'm terribly confused. I'm so confused. Wow, Lord. Okay, I'm about to go take pictures. Bye! Oh.
Good loving feels so numb. Ride me till I'm about to come. I see you were